Welcome back to my channel, Charles Chakra. Hope you are doing great, and thank you so much for showing so much of love and support towards us. It really means a lot, and I really pay gratitude from my side to be a part of our family. So today in this video, I'm going to discuss what is the right way of wearing the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha, what is the benefit of wearing the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha, and what are things that we need to take care of, as this is actually a magical Rudraksha when it comes to the love and marriage. Not only the love and the marriage, but it help you out to enhance your relationship with everyone around. So in this video, I'm going to discuss in brief about the benefits of wearing this and what all things that you need to be conscious with while wearing this Rudraksha. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notification from us on the videos that we post. So the best part is that so if you're looking to purchase a Rudraksha, or you want the energized Rudraksha, or if you're not aware about what is the right Rudraksha you should wear as per your birth chart, then you can WhatsApp us on the given number. My team is going to assist you what is the right Rudraksha you wear. From us, we are going to send you the energized Rudraksha, and not only this, we customize Rudraksha also as per your birth chart and as per your Kundli too. You must have noticed that I am really fond of Rudraksha. I love wearing Rudraksha because I am very nearer to Lord Shiva. So if you are also very nearer to Lord Shiva, then you should also wear Rudraksha, because when you wear Rudraksha, then you can control all the 9 planets, and you will see Rudraksha really works very well if it's a right Rudraksha, energized Rudraksha with the right intention. So let's start with what is the benefit of wearing this Gauri Shankar Rudraksha. So it is actually a magical Rudraksha when it comes to the love and relationship. So if you're facing any type of problem in your love relationship, like if you're a single and you're not able to attract the right partner, then you should start wearing the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha. Gauri Shankar Rudraksha help you to attract the right proposal and the right partner. If you're already in a relationship but you are not getting the commitment from your partner, and you are facing a lot of isolation and frustration, then also I recommend you to wear the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha, as this is a Shiv Shakti Rudraksha. If you wear this Rudraksha, you are going to get the blessings of both Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, which is the ideal couple when it comes to the love relationship. So as soon as you start wearing this Gauri Shankar Rudraksha, you will notice that your partner will be inclined towards you, and with time there you are going to get the commitment from your partner. If you are already in the relationship and you and your partner have a very good relationship, but because of lot of interference from the family side, maybe from either of the family side, a girl family side or the boy family side, you're facing the problem, obstacles, challenges, due to which you both want to get married, but because of any differences, maybe of the community, caste, or some of the other problem, your parents are not accepting you. In that case also, you and your partner both should start wearing the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha. This is going to help you out. This will help you out to convince your parents for the marriage too. This particular Rudraksha works very well for the people who are already married, but they face lot of problem in their relationship because of their in-laws, or because of the misunderstanding, because of the third party involvement, or because of your own nature. You have a lot of irritation, frustration, you're not calm. Because of any differences, you are facing a lot of problem in your married life. In that case also, you should start wearing the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha. The day when you start wearing the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha, this is going to help you end up, you will start observing that your relationship with your partner start improving. So astrologically, I can help you out. This Gauri Shankar Rudraksha is connected to your seventh house. Seventh house, which is a house of your relationship, which is a house of your partner, which is a house connected to the balance and harmony also, as it is also connected to the client association. So if you are into a business, and that business you have a business partner, you have a differences with your business partner, in that case also you can wear the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha. This is going to give you more balance and harmony in the relationship with your partner. So this help overall, this in your Kundali, overall this help you out to balance your seventh house, which is responsible for the good partnership, and it can be your life partner, it can be your client associations, as well as the relationship with the others too. So if you're facing any problem related to the seventh house, like you are not able to attract the right partner, your partner nature is not good, and because of which there are a lot of differences, you always feel guilty of getting married to your partner because of the thought processing, or your partner is not financially blessed, he or she is facing problem in their finances wise too. If you wear the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha, you can help them to support with the luck too. So this particular Rudraksha is recommended when there is a problem in your seventh house that is directly connected to any type of partnership. So if you feel like that your relationship with others are impacted, it can be with your in-laws family, with your own family, or you are into a business and you don't have a good relationship with your clients too. From the client side you face lot of problem, or you face lot of problem into your business. In that case also it is recommended to wear Gauri Shankar Rudraksha. Along with Gauri Shankar Rudraksha, you can add on few more Rudraksha. You will start seeing the improvement in your relationship overall. So now how you need to wear the Gauri Shankar with Rudraksha? The right way to wear the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha, it should be in the red color thread. So why the red color thread? Because the red color thread is connected to Mangal planet, Mars planet. So if the person doesn't have a good Mars planet, especially with the females, if the female doesn't have a good Mars planet, then these females face lot of problem in getting married to the right person in their relationship, as well as after marriage also they face lot of problems in the life. For the boys, why the red color thread for the boys? Because Mars planet is very good for the boys too. This will be going to help you out to balance, maintain the peace and the harmony in the relationship, and to end up attracting the right partner. Sometimes there are lot of malefic planet influence is on our seventh house, due to which people face lot of problem in getting married or attracting the right partner. Or when your fifth house is not, when there is a problem in your fifth house in your birth chart, then the person face lot of problem in getting married to the right person. When the fifth house and the eighth house is connected in your birth chart, then there is very less possibility that you are going to get married to the one whom you are in love with. So there Gauri Shankar Rudraksha helps you a lot. So Gauri Shankar Rudraksha is you are manifesting your love and relationship with the help of this particular Rudraksha, and with the blessings of goddess Parvati and God Shiva, you will be able to attract the right partner. So always make sure that whenever you are wearing the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha, you have to wear it in a red color thread, and this particular Rudraksha should be energized in the right way, so that whenever you are wearing it, so the with the right intention, with the name of the person whom you want to get married, intentions, you have to start wearing this particular Rudraksha. In any case you can't wear this particular Rudraksha, so in that case you are going to receive one pouch with it. You can always keep this particular Rudraksha with you, and daily you have to chant the mantra, holding it daily, manifesting it. This particular video has already been posted, that how you need to manifest your partner holding the Rudraksha. This works very well, and you will end up attracting the right partner. It will help you a lot to work on your seventh house, which is connected to the balance and harmony. This particular Rudraksha everyone can wear, boy, girl, any zodiac sign person can wear this. But this particular Rudraksha acts very well for the people who are the Libra Lagna, moon sign, and the sun sign or the zodiac sign, as well as the Taurus Lagna, sun sign, moon sign, as well as the zodiac sign. Because their main ruling planet is the main ruling planet for the Libra people itself is the seventh house, which is connected to the balance and harmony, which is connected to the Venus planet. And when you wear the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha, this help you out to enhance, this help you out to balance your Libra too. So if you're looking to place an order, you can WhatsApp us on the given number. My team is going to help you out. Once you receive this energized Rudraksha, my team is going to assist you how you need to wear it, what is the right time you need to wear it, at which hora you need to wear it, and what is the right date to wear it. To place the order, you can WhatsApp us on the given number. Still, you have any questions related to the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha, you can ask us on the comment. I will be happy to answer that. Thank you and have a great